Want to give Vivaldi a more personal look? One of the easiest ways to customize the browser is by changing the background image on the start page. Whether you prefer one of Vivaldi's built-in images, a new picture every day, or your own custom wallpaper, the process only takes a few moments. To get started, open Vivaldi and press Ctrl plus F12 to open the Settings menu. This is usually the fastest way to access Vivaldi settings. Once you're in Settings, go to the Themes section on the left side, then open the Editor tab. Here you'll find all the customization options for your current theme. Any changes you make are applied immediately, so you can see the results right away. Next, locate the Background section. Here you can choose whether your start page uses a solid color or an image as the background. If you prefer a simple, clean look, you can select a color instead. If you'd like to use a picture as your background, make sure the background type is set to image. This allows you to use photos and other images on your start page. Below that, you'll see several available background images that come with Vivaldi. Simply click on any image to preview it and instantly apply it to your start page. If you'd like something different, Vivaldi also offers a daily image option. When enabled, the start page background automatically changes each day using high-quality photographs. It's a great choice if you enjoy a fresh look without having to manually change your wallpaper. You can also use your own images. Click Select Image, browse to the picture you'd like to use, and open it. Your chosen image will immediately become the new start page background. This is a great way to personalize Vivaldi with your favorite photo, artwork, landscape, or any image that helps make the browser feel more like your own. You can change your start page background anytime by returning to these settings and choosing a different built-in image, daily image, or custom picture. You've now customized the start page background in Vivaldi. If this guide helped you out, feel free to like this tutorial and subscribe for more browser tips, customization guides, and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.